Hey everyone, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of an absolutely stunning 1962 Chevrolet Corvette. This car is just beautiful. God, I love this body style. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Now, the purpose of my video is so you can take a look at it outside in the sun, or what sunlight we do have, and get almost a virtual sense of how it drives, what it sounds like going down the road, the steering, the clutch, anything. I try to get you as close in person as possible. For all the other information, engine size, 100 or so extra pictures, the undercarriage, detailed write-up, pricing, you're gonna have to go on over to volocars.com. You get to see this and all our other cars, and like I said, get all that great information. Door opens with ease. Shuts nice and tight. I love the interior. It's in excellent shape. I'm trying to find anything really wrong with it. I'm not seeing any tears, anything. The seat's comfortable. Let's go ahead and start her up. See, tachometer's working. We have our fuel gauge, engine temp, your battery, and your oil pressure. Have a clock down here. I'm not sure if it's working. I don't see a second hand. Radio turns on. So yeah, I work in the shop, and this is the first time myself or anyone actually gets a chance to take it out on the road. So we're going to be experiencing all this stuff together for the first time. If there's any hiccups or anything, so we can address that when we get it back in the shop. So I'm going to start off just kind of getting a feel for it, driving down the road, and then I'll open it up a little bit later in the video. Clutch feels nice, steering's nice. Speedo's working. These are really fun cars to drive. Handles nicely. I'm not feeling really any play in the steering wheel. Still has that Corvette feel, like you're stuck to the ground anytime you're making a turn. Sounds really nice and solid. Just a nice, quiet cruiser. I love that. Let's get on her a little bit. Oh, plenty of get up and go. Feels nice shifting through the gears. The brakes are great. Man, it's hard to find something that I don't love about this car. Even in third, it still has that get up if you need to get on it. this car get ahead of us a little bit. Really easy to control, sounds great, feels great, looks great. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications. Then now's the time to head on over to volocars.com just to check out all the pictures, the detailed write-up, all the other specs and selling price. Then give our sales department a call because Corvettes are moving. As always, I appreciate you.